This is X-Sense hardwired combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm with backup battery. It comes with the menu and the sticker. You can put your phone number or the time here. A little hardware package that you can put this on the seating. And this is the for installation. So in this video, I'm going to do a quick test for the alarm, and I'm going to use the battery inside, and I'm going to give you a demo. I'm going to show you how to connect these wires. So let's get started. And the surface is kind of matte and with very good quality plastic. It doesn't look cheap. Actually looks pretty good. It doesn't reflect any light. So on the seating, it's really like low profile. So here there are three little stuff locking that in. So you turn it, you can take this one out. And here is the battery. So I'm going to remove the seal, plug this one in, so it's not going to go wrong. It should be no problem. Like this. Okay. So now the battery is in and it start initiating and changing the color. We can test it using this battery. Okay. Actually, it's super loud, so I'm sure that everybody will hear it when it's off. Alright, next step I'm going to show you how to connect it. I assembled this part just for the demolition purpose. And here it comes with the 14-2 wire. So basically there's a black and a white coming from this part, and also the copper. This is ground. This cable is the 14-3, so it comes with the black, white, also comes with the red. So the red is for interconnection, that one goes off, the other all goes off. So let's connect this one. So before you do any electrical work, just make sure that you turn off the panel switch of this one. So you have to do the test. So there's basically nothing. Turn off the nut. And one thing you need to remember that this wire is going to be a little bit further. If you do this way, you're probably not going to get a good connection. So you go up a little bit, and then we use the wire nut. Make sure that it's a little bit over above it. So how tight it is? We're gonna tight to make sure it start to turn. Yeah, just like this. And then after do this, you're gonna pull. Make sure that's super tight. Now I'm good. And then we do this one, the white one. Basically the same thing. All right, we put this wire up, and we make this one on the top, just like this. See that? Okay, let's turn it. You're gonna use a lot of strength. You see it started turning, and you need to pull. You need to pull hard, so no problem at all. And then this is the red wire. Also, we're gonna make sure that it's above it. Okay, just like this. And then we start to turn, spin. Just like this, and then we pull. It's super tight. Now we're good. So after you've done this, you push the wire inside the box. Okay, like this. They're all inside very tight, and then you only leave this one outside. And then we need to install a wall plate. So it says clearly wall side. So we're gonna turn it like this. And then we're gonna put a screw in. And then we're gonna connect it to the smoke detector. So basically you just push that in and then slide toward the battery side, just like this. You see, it's on there. And then we just turn it inside. Alright, hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.